So today we're at Glenariff Forest Park. Just going to have a walk down to the waterfalls. A bit cold today, very misty in the glens, but still a beautiful walk. This is standing on the viewpoint in the park, but just take you around. You can see very misty. You can't really see much today, but we're just going to head down to the falls. So heading down through the forest at the moment. Not be too long before we get to the bottom. There's some lovely autumn colours in the park. Most of the leaves are still on, which is surprising, being up in the hills where it's cold. But anyway, that's us on our way back down. Some lovely autumn colours in this part of the forest. If anybody could tell me what these rings are in the stonework, could you please leave it in the comments, please? Thank you. On one of the bridges at the bottom of one of the falls. So just take you up higher to see what it's like. You've got to love these falls this time of the year. They've got much more flow to them. That's us down at the bottom of the waterfalls. It's a lovely river and there's a lovely big deep pool in here. And to be honest, once you get into the forest at this time of year, it's not as cold as what it is on the car park at the top. So anyway, that's us. We're going to be heading back up the hill. So what comes down must go up. But as I said in the video there, what comes down must go up. So we're going to be heading back up. I think it's about a mile back up, not too sure. Well, that's us on his way out again, heading up to the top. And as you can see, it's still very misty. The drizzle hasn't stopped all morning, but it's not too bad. We'll just do another sweep of the valley. Some lovely autumn colours on these trees. We'll just sweep back round to the left. The hills are actually becoming a wee bit clearer than what they were when we first arrived here. Well, that's us at the end of the walk. Wet, misty, very enjoyable. Now, there is a few different walks within the forest. So, if you're an average walker, you know, I'm sure all the walks would be suitable for you. So, I'll catch you on the next video.